Mr. Rajesh calculates his profit percentage as a percentage of selling price. He sells an item for rupees 150 and calculates his profit percentage to be 20%. What is the true profit percentage? So Mr. Rajesh by mistakes use the formula profit upon selling price into 100. Okay. So this was the formula Mr. Rajesh used for the formula of profit percentage. Now let's try and understand this. He got this value to be 20. Okay. He sells an item for rupees 150. That means selling price also we know. So from this we can easily find the value of profit. So profit will be 20 upon 100 into selling price. Selling price is 150. So it comes out to be 30. So profit in amount is 30 rupees. Okay. Now he sells an item for rupees 150. So selling price is 150. Profit we got as 30. That means cost price must be 120. Now the actual formula for profit percentage is profit upon CP into 100. So profit is 30 rupees, CP is 120 into 100, which comes out to be 25%.